Hey guys, it's me, Roxy Rex221. This one I'm gonna be telling you about the claw machine. Some people post some people post videos on YouTube of them winning like gloves or stuff like that. But like if you go here, all you're gonna win is stuffed animals, which I think I know why, because it up here it'll tell you that you can, but usually all you'll win is like stuffed animals. I'm gonna go here and hopefully I don't want to start this stupid tutorial. But like, I don't mind if you buddy me or like send me jamagrams, because I want to become Animal Jam famous. Because like stuff like being famous on Animal Jam is one of the things I've always wanted to be. So I want to get your guys' help to get Animal Jam famous. And if I get a lot of stuff, I'll try to send like few people back things if they ask me, if they sent me something back. Like if they sent me something, then I'd send them something back, just if I have enough stuff. Like right now, as you can see, I love blue, even though it's not my favorite color. But this is what I got. This I got for trading a glove. I don't know why I did that, but oh yay, I get to go to the Wolves Only party. Woohoo! And I'm the first person here. Woohoo! Sing along, la la. Okay. It's weird. This one you probably know that all you're gonna win is a wolf. Yep, wolf plushie. I guess I gotta keep that from this party. Holy cow, 20 people are here now. But if you can do your best by trying to make me Animal Jam famous, what I really, really, really want, I've wanted this ever since I was a member and ever since I wasn't a member, is a headdress. So if you have a headdress, can you pretty please send me a headdress? Okay, I don't know why I did that, but I'm not trying to tell you guys to give me one. I don't mind if you don't give me one. That's just what I really want. And I'm gonna try and fill up this whole video. I'm gonna go to the party I really want to go to is this one. It's a trading party, which is in 5 hours. Like I have for other black gloves, sir. Not like I care about these wolves. I just want to play this game. I could have declined that. Like, I don't know. Yeah, this is my den. What party is next? Yay, dinner party. I love dinner parties. Like, I don't know, but if you guys think this too, sometimes I think this, because sometimes bunnies want to be with other bunnies, or wolves want to be with other wolves, or sometimes wolves want to be with bunnies, or hang out and get more friends. But what I think sometimes that I don't like about Animal Jam. Sometimes because there's bunnies only party and wolves only party, penguins only party, horses only parties, all those types of parties, and I just don't think it's fair sometimes. Because there's like those parties, but sometimes I think that's fair. Because, you know. So, wow. It's only been like 5 minutes. Oh, yeah, if you don't, like, if you want to buddy me, I don't mind if you buddy me, because I, like I said, I want to be famous. I want to be Animal Jam famous. Like Julius 2, you know him? Yeah. I think that's how this guy's name. Julius, whoops, sorry. Have you heard Julius saying, I think he quit. Oh my gosh. Julius. Or Julius. No, Julius 2. He quit. Oh my gosh, he quit. Oh my god. He quit. I should have already known that he was gonna quit because he posted a video on YouTube saying he was gonna quit. But I don't know. This Jamal Township is always full. Like, not like always full. Am I your buddy or something? No. Buddy kind of like you. I'll trade people. Haunted. Oh, haunted house. Yay. Ooh. Wait, I'm gonna ask them if we start. Do we start the house? No, haunted house. Because I want to be with a group of people, so just asking. Or are we going to be in a group with people? Or I guess I'm just going to start. I'm going to start. I don't care. Okay, I'm going to start. Whoopsies. This isn't freaky. That's kind of freaky, not weird, but I know. Sorry, Monster High 2704. If you're watching this, your den isn't freaky. I'm sorry if I yeah, this is not a haunted house. This is just boring. I'm sorry. So if you're watching this, I'm sorry, but it's boring. And up here, this doesn't cover anything. That's not scary at all. This mist makes it scary. Only in this part. Is that like supposed to be a dead owl or something? I see you. See you back here. I see you. I see you. Boring. I'm sorry, but it's boring. Crap, she's right here. To let you know it's boring. I don't know why, now I'm being weird. Boring. 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 Not haunted. It's boring. Boring. It's boring. It's boring. It's boring. It's boring. It's boring. What? It's a boring haunted mansion. It's a boring haunted mansion. This ain't even boring at. Ooh, it's a love couple. No. This is not boring. Okay, goodbye. Nah. my den. Okay, her den is dark, so it's still not freaky. Of course my den's gonna be light. It's a volcano house. So I think I'm gonna end this video. Wait. I guess I'm gonna have to go. Okay, sometimes I like to try and stay here and be the last person here, be the only person. The girl. Girl, they can't see you. You were just read. Okay, they can click on your name. Ooh. No, I'm just kidding. Sorry. I'm not gonna try it again. So these are my animals. I got Blooming Happy Paw, Infinity Major, Princess Cute Lily, Blossom Icy Pride, and Snowflake Arctic Wolf. Are you being so slow? I'm gonna end this video once I get to the ocean or something, because I don't want this to like be 15 minutes long, which it might be, so sorry about that. Awkward silence. Awkward silence. That's my fake laugh. Okay, I'm gonna end this right now. See ya. See ya, bro. Oh, wait. Wait. See ya, bro.